Hey guys. Hello, travelers. It is your dearly beloved ghost. Yes, I'm filming on the outside, so you would hear cars and stuff behind me. This car's going by and there's people looking at me in them. And it's honestly so funny. Okay, I'm gonna do a little quad here, okay? I'm gonna do a little quads. And for you, the beautiful travelers, ooh, why did I make a hit? Kind of weird. Oh, there's people looking at me, that's you. Oh, hi!
Watch out for this wolf, Winnie.
I'm a silver fox.
Oh, silver fox, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
There's a doggo. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hi, doggo. My doggo.
Winnie, what are you doing?
Silly doggo. Oh. Hello.
Better not be potting.
Oh. Sunset. Sunset. You know that, people? Oh, hi. Oh, you guys can't see my face. Oh, hello. Hello.
Better go see. Yeah.
I gotta get my face out of the camera. Hi.
Oh, keep going, babe. Run.
Run. Run, little dog. There's a bus. Yes. There's a bus. I'm gonna do a quad in home. The bus right there. There's a bus. That just looked at me with pure confusion. He's like, what? What is that thing? That thing? What are you? What are you? You're beautiful. That's what you are. Dogs are really cute. Oh, they're just sitting there. I'm gonna wave at her. I'm gonna go talk to her. She seems nice. She does. I'm gonna do some quads for her. Oh, I thought somebody was yelling at me. Okay, right there. That's cute. Okay, anyways.